Hey, what's up guys, here I have the DEWALT DCE 5112V fan. This is a cordless job site fan, and the reason why I picked this one is because we actually just got hit by a hurricane in Texas here, and honestly it was unbearable because we lost power and a lot of my battery generator, everything was already being used for something else, and I'm like, well, I have all these extra batteries for my tools, all my DEWALT tools, why not use that for the fan instead of using one of my power banks, or that could be used for a fridge or something else. So I think this is going to be great as a not only a job site one, because of course it's always useful, but as a backup in case I lose power. I don't have to use batteries that could be, or power that could be used for something else, and instead I can use my DEWALT batteries. Now, as you can see here, it says that it has a maximum of 12 volt compatibility, so which is great because you can use your smaller batteries or your bigger flex volt batteries. And we're gonna see what's in the box. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Let me check what else is there. Just the manual. There you go. It's a good size fan. Looks really nice. It matches, of course, with the rest of the tools, which is always cool. And it's well built but surprisingly light, which is great. Very easy to carry, move around, very nice. And so my guess is, yeah, you just pop in a battery in there. So there you go, they go backwards, and you have this wheel here which is notched, so that's also very nice because you can feel it click. Whoa, yeah, pretty powerful fan, very nice. And then turn it off right there. It's also very stable, and you can angle it. Again, it clicks. Let me try and see if I can. This might be too big of a battery to fit. No, it fits. There you go. Yeah, it fits. So perfect. You actually do get to plug even your bigger batteries, and it's gonna last a very long time. So I definitely recommend this. I wish I had this for Hurricane Beryl last week, but I will be prepared for the next time. And it's also gonna be great on job site because it's cordless. So yeah, definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching.